This is stock number 21J19. We are here at Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, your new and used Jeep and Jeep Wrangler headquarters. Today we are excited to show you this brand new 2021 Jeep Wrangler high altitude in the all new color for Jeep for this year, the Snazzberry Pearlcoat. You may remember this color from Rams as Delmonico Red and some other of its Jeep cousins in red velvet. Also on the Dodge Grand Caravan, it comes in as Octane Red, all paint code PRV. Very good looking color for the Wranglers, and we couldn't have picked a better Wrangler to put it on, as this is a high altitude package. We shoot all of our videos in 1080p, 60 frames per second, so if you have HD capabilities on your computer, tablet, or smartphone device, turn them on right now, because it is definitely your best way to check out the looks, styling, and color of the vehicle before seeing it in person. This one also has the Sky One Touch Power Top. I will show you how that works, and it's really a cool feature that Jeep has on this vehicle. And you can also remove those side windows on the back. That is a $1,900 option, and the high altitude package is a $9,000 some option. If you want to check out all the photos on this Jeep, in the upper right hand part of your screen is a link to our website. Click that and check us out there. The high altitude package does give you the 20-inch painted black, gloss black alloy rims, Bridgestone Dueler 275/55R20 tires, kind of a highway tread pattern to them on here. This one's going to get you 24 miles per gallon on the highway. It has a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 motor with the e-torque assist on it. And I think average miles per gallon on this one is 21 miles per gallon. Anyways, the high altitude package gives you the painted fenders, the painted front bumpers, the gloss black inserts around the fog light, headlight, and grille bezels there. Really a good looking color on the Wrangler. They actually debuted this color on the Gladiators at the auto show. We did a video on that if you want to check that out. It's in the upper right hand part of your screen in 2020, earlier this year. Here's the original window sticker. I'm not going to go over this too much, but feel free to pause it at any point to check out all the options to see if this is the right Wrangler for you. 2021 unlimited high altitude. Of course, it's in the Sahara family. 3.6 liter V6 with the e-torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. You get the customer preferred package, which is the high altitude package, which is $9,105. Snazzberry Pearlcoat is a $245 option. Now the high altitude gives you all the special seats, all the painted bumpers, everything that's painted, the 20-inch rims, the navigation, the Alpine premium sound. So it really gives you a lot with that package. And then you also have the cold weather group, trailer tow group, advanced safety group, which gives you adaptive cruise and advanced brake assist, and forward collision warning plus. And then the anti-spin differential, and then that Sky One Touch Power Top is a $1,900 option. Total MSRP is $57,590. To get your Summit price, in the upper right hand part of your screen is a link to our website to get all the rebates and incentives on this Jeep. 24 highway, 19 city, average of 21, which is pretty darn good on a full-size Wrangler. 4-star front crash test rating, not really rated for anything else other than the rollover. You get the keyless entry with remote start there. And we'll check out that interior a little bit more in depth in just a second. Because it is a Sahara, you get the step bars on there. 4-wheel disc brakes. Rear bumper is painted as well. Even the reverse sensors are painted. You get the receiver hitch, 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. The matching spare tire. There's your HD backup camera. And they started doing this, I think, last year or the year before, or maybe with the new body style. Anyways, they put this little plastic guard on here. What was happening is people would wash their vehicles, their Wranglers, and the tires and the tire dressing and grease and everything would get on the bumpers, and it would actually stain the paint on the bumpers. So they put that little guard there so that that water is not going to go onto the bumper, it's just going to drip off, which is kind of neat that they're protecting the investment like that. You have your tow hook back here, your LED license plate light, the painted handles on here as well. Back storage area, you get a lot of space underneath here. You get storage for your hood, windshield, and roof bolts. This one also has the Alpine premium sound system in it. You get the subwoofer. This is your case for those side window pieces. And they actually are a couple quick disconnects. There's one here, there's one up there. And then I believe you gotta take these bolts out, which are easily taken out with the tools in here. I believe there's tools for that. Anyways, all the bars on the inside are painted as well. Maybe we'll do a tutorial on how to take those side window pieces out. There's the badge for the JL Wrangler. Watch how nice and smooth those doors close. You know, that rear door closes. It's actually a lot lighter than they were. You get the painted gas door, and of course the fenders here. And they really picked a great color for the Wranglers. I think it looks really good. All the painted hinges, mirrors are painted as well. Enter and go system inside the high altitude package gives you this black, and it's kind of a goldish bronze stitching to it. Interesting pattern. Driver's seat height adjuster, lumbar, and then you do get side airbags now on the Wranglers standard. Get the blacked out floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. And as we hop inside here, I'm going to turn that on. You get the 7-inch LCD display. You get the Wrangler graphics on the side there, digital speedometer, compass, outside temp, and that's pretty cool as well. You get the heated leather wrap steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, regular cruise control, Bluetooth, information center controls, audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. But I think what everybody really wants to see is this power top. So now that we have the accessory power on, I'm going to press this button and we'll take a look on the inside how that opens. You can time it, started at 8:06 there. So 8:24, so about 18 seconds. This one does have the 8.4 4C radio, which gives you AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio capabilities. You also have the factory navigation system on here. You can do your climate controls here. You can also do your heated seats, heated steering wheel buttons. Check out your HD backup camera. Those are dynamic grid lines, meaning that they're going to turn as you turn that steering wheel. And you also have all your different apps here, including your off-road pages, which are pretty cool. You get your pitch and roll, your latitude, longitude, altitude. Nice to see that we're nice and flat in our brand new studio here. Oil pressure, trans temp, battery voltage, oil temp, coolant temp. And then you get your drivetrain, including your steering angle and transfer case there. Just some kind of neat stuff that you have on there. And then you also have your projection manager, where if you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on your cell phone, you can project it to your screen on here. So if you've got different navigation systems such as Waze or Google Maps, or even just different media that you want to play through your phone, you can control your phone through the screen. And we actually did a demo on Android Auto in the upper right hand part of your screen if you want to check that out. Anyways, we have more climate controls and audio controls here, including your heated seats and heated steering wheel controls, start-stop capabilities, stability control, downhill assist control, parking sensors, you can turn those off and on, power windows, USB, USB-C, aux jack, 4 upfitter switches, part of that trailer tow group, 4x4 shifter, and then of course your 8-speed automatic transmission. And you get the little Jeep logo on there. You get the heavy-duty key fob. It's very solid. It's also a switchblade style key, and you have your remote start on there. You always know which key you have in your pocket with that. What I really like about the Saharas is the leather wrap dash, and just notice the attention to detail that they did with that gold stitching. Goes on every piece of leather on this vehicle. You're going to have that gold stitching accent, even on the top of the dash. So really cool stuff. And you still have your little Wrangler driving up the side of your windshield. Now I'm going to close this and see how long it takes to close. So we started at 11:06. My guess is it's going to end at 11:24. $11.25. So about 19 seconds to close it. We'll take a quick look at the back seats, and then we'll do one more final walk around and check out all those LED lights in the front there. You still get the stitching back here with that gold stitching. You get cup holders and the headrest back here. Latch child safety systems, factory floor mats, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, 115 volt, 150 watt plug-in. These headrests can fold down for better visibility if you're just riding by yourself. And these seats do fold down nice and flat. You have a lot more room in between the back of the front seat and this seat when it goes down. And I do like that you can just have the headrest down at any time. Notice, get that stitching on all the leather parts, and then latch or child safety locks on the back doors. And we'll do one more final walk around here, and I would really like to thank you for checking out the video today, and hopefully from this HD video you will have gotten a really good idea of the new Snazzberry color and the high altitude edition package and what it all entails. Check out those LED headlamps and fog lamps and running lights. Really good looking. And to see more pictures of this Jeep or one of our other 450 new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, Wranglers, you name it, we got it. Go to our website, www.summitauto.com. Full pictures and descriptions of every single vehicle from 2 locations, all at summitauto.com. And if you'd like to check out more HD videos, you can go to youtube.com/summitauto. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on this video and all the videos that you see there. In fact, in a second you will see a link to subscribe to our YouTube channel on your left, a link to more Jeep Wrangler videos like this one on your right. If you have not been to our website, on the bottom, a link to this vehicle on our website. Click those, check us out, and we're super excited to be offering this brand new 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude and Snazzberry Pearlcoat. Thanks again for checking out the video.